Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine. In today's video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309 United States dollars, making it a more expensive option compared to the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine, which is available for just $179 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. In terms of washing capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model has a capacity of 1.7 cu fort, which allows it to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry. On the other hand, the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine boasts a larger washing capacity of 18 pounds, making it more suitable for larger loads. This difference in capacity can be a crucial factor for users with bigger laundry needs. Another important aspect to consider is the type of operation. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a fully automatic machine, which means it handles all the washing tasks for you. In contrast, the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine is semi-automatic, requiring you to manually transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs. This distinction can affect the convenience and ease of use for different users. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine have their unique advantages. BLACK+DECKER offers a fully automatic experience with a durable stainless steel tub, while the 28 lbs model provides a larger capacity at a lower price point. Depending on your needs and budget, one may be more suitable for you than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.